morning there's a halo hanging from the corner of my girlfriend's four-post bed. I know it's not mine, but I see if I can use it for the weekend or a one-night stand.
Say hi, Don.
What up, nigga?
We miss you, nigga. How's the province?
Question lang naman, you're over it, man.
What?
What's the question again? Lord? No, he's shifting a lot of things there in the...
I'm coughing. Sorry.
But he's over it. It's been 3 years. He's okay now.
Yeah, I'm okay now.
So much better now.
Yeah.
But there should be some.
Say speed limit 3. 110. Tong tong.
Roadkill!
What is that animal? Roadkill yun.
Could be fox, could be...
Nagkwanta ta, ihap ta roadkill.
Roadkill!
Kana bitang sagaling kanang
It's not a roadkill.
kana bitang pagong,
Pagupas.
pagumpas. Shit.
Taga-roadkill mga bahan.
Sige, bika kita.
Para di na ako mag-gulkos camera para patas na.
Pero hindi sa bakay kiss lang.
So, we are approaching. Hindi ko bawa sa kuan po, no? Help me out, man. Help me out. Pump me.
DeLorean?
No. I don't know.
He wants the Bogan accent.
I lost it, man. I lost the file.
Money?
I need to reset my system.
Yeah.
I only follow when somebody's speaking, you know. If someone's gonna
look at
speak
that
French,
view,
Italian, I'm gonna say, hey,
Look
Italian.
at the view.
Like, ooh.
What a beauty. I think it's someone else's garden.
Yeah, that.
You know what makes it really awesome?
Correct.
The roads.
The road is delicate.
Delicate.
Delicate. Tomado.
Delicate?
Delicate. Delicate.
Delicate.
Spanish.
Overtake na lang kayo ako na, no?
Roadkill!
Oh, grabe ko tayo ma-road road.
Oh, roadkill! Nalihagos kami na.
Roadkill ani. Jesus, man.
Kita was struck.
Kaya nag-overtake na ako siya.
Maligis na siya if needed. Oh, next song.
Nagkisa ka, likitan na.
Patient siya man.
Ganun may mga
Oh, gusto kang hinay na. Ano ko eh?
or Backstreet Boys. Backstreet Boys.
The good old days.
Yeah, the good old days, right? Yung lingaw ka, John, yung kanta ba? Pero kabalo ko yapan sa lyrics.
Atong 90 degrees
Uliban
utan.
kayo, pero kapag-memorize sa lyrics.
Never end the day. What the fuck? It's recording. Sa focus naman na siya.
Just to make things right. I need more time. 100 direct.
Wala yung isang freelance na nga rin. Just be careful lang.
Our fast performance.
Roadkill!
Ayaw.
Padlong na ko, Maggie. Padlong na ko. Yes! Dito!
I was looking at the curve. Welcome to Sheffield.
Diri, wala. Lagi kuran lang.
The time for right.
And when you coming down, road work. Be there when you hit the ground. So don't go away. Say what you say. 60. Say. Never end day of my life. One way? Hindi ka stop ya. Kay one way ra. Lollipop guy.
Kapit.
Oh. So we're heading towards Cradle Mountain.
We're
We're looking
Sheffield,
for the
right?
cradle in the mountain.
Look, another roadkill.
And when we get there, we're gonna ride a cradle.
I knew it, it's a roadkill.
Well, you're done, Mike. You're done.
I'm gonna fart right now.
Okay, find the hole.
Sorry guys, I didn't shit this morning, so it's gonna be stinky.
Now I'm free falling.